Hey, I'm Iryna Talmachova, real estate badass turned AI hype queen, and if you're still out here manually building apps, writing content, or scheduling emails like it's 2022, blink twice. I got you 2025 called, and it asked politely but firmly, why are you still working like this? Let's talk about Claude Artifacts. This thing is wild. If Canva and ChatGPT had a genius baby raised on hustle culture and espresso shots, it'd be this. You just talk to it seriously, and suddenly you've got a working app, smarter, faster content, and maybe a touch of existential dread about all the time you used to waste. You can build a flashcard generator for your coffee obsession, or a funnel fixer that actually knows your lead gen woes, or my personal fave, a digital roast bot, because we could all use a little AI-powered humility now and then. Here's the best part: no API keys, no code, no guilt about that Python course you abandoned in 2023. You can customize everything, embed Claude's brain, and boom, you're building actual products, not just messing around with prompts. Now, if you're smart and you pair this with tools like HeyGen for your avatar vibes, Runway ML for cinematic edits, Gamma to create decks that demand attention, Perplexity pages so your research game is on point, and of course, me, Copilot, your AI-powered wingwoman. But listen, if you're still dragging prompts into Google Docs and praying for inspiration, you're not behind, you're prehistoric, and we both know it's time to evolve. So here's your move: DM me Artifact and let us take your idea and build something unforgettable, and maybe just a little unhinged. And yes, I'll know if you're still using word art.